Hey guys and girls, in this video we're gonna take a look at the best popcorn makers. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the popcorn makers in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to join our community Telegram channel linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best popcorn maker on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Pop and Serve Popcorn Maker. This popcorn maker is for you if you want a quick and simple way to create homemade popcorn, but don't have room in your kitchen for yet another appliance. It has a dishwasher-safe, foldable silicone bowl that is great for storage. It produces up to 10 cups of popcorn that stays crisp because to the lid steam vents, which keep moisture from building up. We adore the fact that you can always purchase fresh, oil-free popcorn for less than $10. However, take note that microwave power settings vary, so the amount of time it takes to pop popcorn may range between 2 to 3 minutes. No matter what, don't use the popcorn preset function as it is meant for prepackaged microwave popcorn bags. Number 9. Whirley Pop Stovetop Popcorn Popper. Technically, you could use a covered pot you already own to cook popcorn, but you would have to shake the pot as scorching hot oil and popcorn kernels jumped around within. The Whirley Pop is for you if this seems like too much of a risk. The handle has a hand-cranked mechanism that stirs the oil and kernels at the bottom of the pan to prevent burning. The pot is composed of aluminum, which warms up rapidly and uniformly, causing the kernels to pop in an equal layer without burning. The majority of reviewers express satisfaction that hardly any unpopped kernels remained. It can produce as much popcorn as 6 quarts. Best of all, the popcorn is crunchier and tastier than any other type. The Whirley Pop is not dishwasher safe, but you only need to wipe the inside with a paper towel after each use. Coming at number 8, Lakeland Electric Popcorn Maker with Bowl. Hot air is used in this ingeniously straightforward electric popcorn maker to produce 60 grams of popcorn in under 3 minutes. It's a terrific alternative for families because it has a sizable clear bowl that can be brought directly from the machine to the sofa so that everyone can tuck in. Since the bowl is large enough to hold even the rambunctious errant kernels, this also eliminates the frequent issue of popcorn flying all over the kitchen. We love that the bowl and lid are both transparent, so we can also monitor the development of our popcorn. The bright red color greatly appealed to our youngest testers, who pronounced the popcorn far nicer than anything they had ever eaten in a movie theater. It is pretty simple to clean by hand after use. Consider pairing it with the Joe and Seph's Create Your Own Gourmet Popcorn Kit if you truly want to spoil your taste buds. Coming at number 7, Cinema Style Popcorn Maker. This high-quality device is a must-have if you're fortunate enough to have a home theater or even just a spare area of your living room. It was the only machine on our list that was bigger than every other one we tried, utilized oil in addition to heating for a less than virtuous treat, and produced some of the greatest popcorn we've ever tasted. You won't need to keep an eye on the model because it includes an integrated stirring system and a stainless steel heat chamber. A popcorn meal tray, 4 buckets, a kernel and oil spoon, and other items are included in the package for a genuine movie theater experience. Its sleek red and silver exterior looks good too. Our only issue was that cleaning up after use required a little more time than with air poppers, but it was a small price to pay for the top-notch taste. Number 6. West Bend Stir Crazy Popcorn Machine. The West Bend Stir Crazy lives up to its name. The translucent dome-shaped plastic top allows you to view the thrilling popping action, while a motorized rod on the base spins to keep the kernels from burning. A simple on-off switch is used to regulate it. Popcorn may be made with simply kernels and a little oil, up to 6 quarts worth. The stirring rod is detachable for hand cleaning and the cover is top-rack dishwasher safe. Additionally, nesting the base within the cover to make it more compact for storage is simple. Some reviewers complained that the popcorn wasn't crunchy enough. We suggest opening the steam vent as soon as the popcorn has finished popping. Turn the popper on its side while maintaining a firm grip on the heat-resistant handles. To let the steam escape, lift the base away and you will be fine. Coming in at number 5, Joe and Seph's Popcorn Maker Starter Kit. There isn't much about popcorn that Joe and Seph's don't know. Aiming to make the best tasting popcorn in the world, the family business produces over 40 flavors of popcorn by hand in London. Now we can all get the chance to be popcorn experts too with this all-in-one kit to get you gorging in no time. It has an electric air popper that produces hot, freshly cooked popcorn in about 2.5 minutes and pours it into a clear bowl. In comparison to machines where a bowl must be placed under a spout, this makes consuming the popcorn much easier and does a much better job of keeping it contained. Handily, this kit also includes a tin of kernels and delicious salted caramel sauce so you can start whizzing up fancy masterpieces right away and ditch inferior cinema popcorn for good. Coming at number 4, Elgento E26009 Carnival Popcorn Cart Maker. Although freshly popped popcorn is delicious, but half of the fun is in making it. Children will like this red vintage cart, which looks like it belongs at a fairground and was by far the favorite of our younger testers. It looks far too good to hide away in a cupboard, so would be great left out on show in your favorite movie watching room. It works flawlessly and has a 250W heating element with a flick switch that even young children can operate. Making popcorn was quick and easy, and the finished product was delightfully fluffy and light. For ease of grab and go, it pours directly into a bowl, but we discovered that some popcorn constantly missed the bowl. However, compared to other popcorn makers, this has a lot more kid appeal, making it a wonderful gift for a family who enjoys watching movies together. Number 3, Chef Poptop Popcorn Maker. If you're short on cupboard space for storing an electric popcorn maker, this dinky microwavable version is the perfect alternative. Before it is closed and microwaved, it holds around 5 teaspoons of popcorn kernels in the bottom. It is constructed of BPA-free, high heat-resistant silicone. Within 2 or 3 minutes, the bowl opens as the popcorn pops and is filled with a steamy food. The bowl does grow quite hot in the microwave, so it's worth waiting an additional minute before removing it. But once you do, the easy grips on either side make it simple to take right out. We discovered that adding a fast trickle of olive oil before popping, which is impossible with most electric machines, made the popcorn taste even better. We particularly liked the fact that the entire bowl was immediately placed in the dishwasher to be used again. Coming at number 2, Microwave Corn Poppers. Since the 1940s, the Nordic Ware Company has built a reputation for producing reliable kitchen appliances, and their microwave popcorn popper is no exception. This plastic dish can pop up to 12 cups of popcorn without containing BPA or melamine. With or without oil, it just takes 2 to 3 minutes in the microwave. The white or red bowl, which is provided, can be used to serve the popcorn. Since cook durations may vary, we advise experimenting with your microwave. Start with 2 minutes at the maximum power level and then add 30 seconds until the popping stops. The resulting popcorn won't be as large and fluffy as the air-popped kind, but still is crunchy and delicious with very few unpopped kernels. Some reviewers have complained that the microwave lid becomes quite hot, so use kitchen gloves carefully. Number 1. Cuisinart EasyPop Hot Air Popcorn Maker. Our favorite popcorn maker, the Cuisinart EasyPop, is the best air popper that makes up to 10 cups of the fluffiest and largest popcorn in under 3 minutes. The best part, you don't need to add any oil, so it's also the healthiest option. Add up to half a cup of popcorn kernels into the fun and bright red base where very hot air heats them up. The popcorn jumps through the plastic chute, which is removable and dishwasher safe, and into your bowl. It functions with a simple on and off switch. Replacement parts for the chute and lid are available for purchase. For the best performance, we suggest adding only up to the recommended amount of popcorn kernels to prevent the machine from overheating. Also, make sure to empty out the base so that any unpopped kernels don't stick around and burn the next time you use it. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best popcorn maker. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.